In the depths of California's Colorado desert, there lies a body of water that wasn't supposed to exist, an accidental sea, conceived in error and birthed from a monumental mistake. Today on Documentify TV, we explore the Salton Sea in California. In the early days of the 20th century, the Colorado River had been a formidable force of nature, meandering its way through the American Southwest. It was in the year 1905 that a group of engineers seeking to harness the river's power unknowingly gave birth to the Salton Sea. They had intended to create an irrigation canal, a conduit to bring life-giving water to the arid landscapes of the Imperial Valley. Instead, they created a sea. Their canal failed to contain the mighty river. For 2 long years, the Colorado poured into the Salton Sink, a desert basin lying more than 200 feet below sea level. The result was a vast inland sea stretching across more than 375 square miles. The Salton Sea had arrived, a testament to the unforeseen consequences of human ambition. In its heyday, the Salton Sea was a beacon of prosperity, attracting tourists and investors from far and wide. Shimmering under the desert sun, the sea boasted vibrant communities along its shoreline. The Salton Riviera, as it came to be known, promised a life of leisure and luxury. But as the years rolled by, the sea began to reveal its true nature. Today, the Salton Sea stands as a stark reminder of the delicate balance between human intervention and nature. The once thriving Riviera now lies abandoned, its communities ghost towns in the making. The sea's salinity continues to rise, outpacing even the Pacific Ocean and resulting in a mass die-off of fish. The air carries the stench of decay, a poignant symbol of a paradise lost. Yet even in its current state, the Salton Sea refuses to fade into oblivion. Scientists and environmentalists have taken an interest in this accidental sea, studying its impacts on the local ecosystem and the air quality of the surrounding regions. They believe that despite its challenges, the Salton Sea could hold the key to understanding the effects of climate change and human intervention on natural habitats. Looking into the future, the Salton Sea sits at a crossroads. On one hand, there's the possibility of environmental disaster, as the receding waters expose toxic dust, threatening the health of millions. On the other, there's a glimmer of hope, as plans for restoration and renewable energy projects surface. The Salton Sea, an accidental body of water, has become an unplanned experiment in ecology. Its existence is a stark reminder of the power of nature, the impact of human intervention, and the potential consequences of both. It's a story of ambition, error, decay, but also of potential resurrection and learning. From its puzzling origins through its current state of decay to its uncertain future, the Salton Sea is a paradox wrapped in a conundrum. It stands as a testament to the unpredictability of nature and the far-reaching effects of human intervention. The sea wasn't supposed to exist, yet here it is, compelling us to confront the consequences of our actions and challenging us to find solutions for its survival. The story of the Salton Sea is far from over. It's a narrative that continues to evolve, a mystery that continues to unfold. It's a tale of the past, a snapshot of the present, and a forecast of the future. It's the Salton Sea, an enigma in the heart of California's Colorado desert. As we close our journey through the Salton Sea, we want to thank you for joining us on this episode. Your curiosity fuels our storytelling, and we're glad you chose to explore with us. If you found this dive into the Salton Sea engaging and thought-provoking, we'd love to hear from you. Leave us a comment below, share your thoughts, your questions, or your own experiences with this fascinating place.